Welcome everyone to this new tutorial of making of. In this tutorial, we pursue the course from the previous one, the t-shirt creation. Now what we're gonna do today is going from Z-Wave to Unreal Engine. So, in the previous tutorial, we were at this point. Now let's see how can we go on Unreal Engine. We save the file first. You can see here that the file is named tshirt.zls. ZLS is our format. Now go on Unreal Engine. This is the engine environment, and here on the top, you will find our plugin Z Unreal. Click here and open the ZLS file that you have previously saved. Now, you have two chances. The first one is to import all the things that you have inside the ZLS and also the avatar. But I don't want it, because I want to import another avatar with animation. So don't activate this and import. When you open the ZLS file, it goes on your content browser. So here you can easily go to the t-shirt, and you'll find that as a blueprint class. Take and drag the blueprint on the level. After that, I put all the coordinates on 0 to have it in the middle of the level. Activate the new avatar and, as you can see, it doesn't fit because it's a different avatar. So what I'm gonna do now is move all the pieces to align that to the body. Okay, let's start. I have to move more the collar, for example. So I double click on the collar and I move it more here. And also, maybe I have to double check for those sleeves. Yes, I have to move the sleeve more here. And maybe the same thing is for the other, and I drag that here. Okay, perfect. So now, what I'm gonna do is to teach to the software, which is the asset that I have imported, and also, which is the actor. In this case, the new avatar. Now, go to ZLS Simulation Manager, that is our engine inside Unreal. Go through all the properties, and, as you can see here, you can find all the properties that you have on Z-Weave. So you can change everything. You can deform the pieces, as in Z-Weave, and also, you can change the physical fabric properties. Right? But in this case, we only want to simulate this asset. So let's go to set the ZLS engine. Here is the asset, and the asset is the t-shirt that we have opened. On Mesh Actor, we have the FBX scene working. Okay? So now, let's see if all the things works. Click play here and wait. The speed of the simulation and the speed of the animation depends on your computer speed. So if your computer is faster, your simulation will be more faster. Okay. If you want, you can walk around like a game player. I think the animation is good. When everything is look good, you can stop the animation and go through the next step, because you know, here in live you can animate only one asset. Let's open a level sequence. Create that and name it as tutorial. Add a camera. So here, there is a problem with the focus of the camera, doesn't matter. Go here, on the camera properties, and, on focus method, we have to choose, disable. Now we have the sequencer and our camera. So what we have to do now is to put the objects inside the sequencer. put the avatar first. And after the asset. Okay? So, in the asset we have to activate, use cache, and on the avatar, we have to activate the animation. The job is done for now. Now we have to render this scene, but it's not a high quality render because it's only a render to create cache. Okay? We have to adjust the number of frames according to the animation frames. So we have to drag this to the end of the animation frames. Now we have to save all first. Okay? Go to the rendering page and doesn't matter what is your configuration, the output resolution should be maybe on 100 because as I said, you don't need to create a high quality rendering because this is only for the cache. Accept and render local. As for the animation, rendering goes faster as your computer. The cache was created, and you'll find here your content browser on the cache folder. Take the cache file and drag it on the sequencer. Okay? Now you have the t-shirt cache and also you have the t-shirt asset that you don't need anymore. So delete the t-shirt asset from the sequencer, go here and switch off. Okay? Now you don't have the t-shirt asset visualization anymore. You have only the cache. So, the thing that you have to do here is go on Track and Geometry Cache. Now you have tracked the cache. So if you go here and you move this, you can see that all the things is going okay. But also, you can go here and play the animation, okay? So, what we have to do now is to make it looping. To do that, we have to drag this to our first frame of animation. If you don't know that, you can take a look, sliding this, okay? But because I know it, I can drag this on 70. So now I can loop it. And then play. So fine, our job is done, but for example, if I want to change something on the asset here, like I don't know, materials. Can I do that? Of course I can. For example, if you have materials here, and you want to change the materials of this asset, you can go here by selecting, and go here on the materials. As you can see, these are all the materials of the t-shirt. And also here there is the logo. So, you can change the logo and the t-shirt materials. For example, let's change something. I want to change this material to maybe this one. Okay. And also, I want to change all of this to this new material. So basically, I have changed all the materials now. Can I play it? Yes, I can. So in this case, I have created a new t-shirt with new materials. This is the end of this first tutorial. We hope you found it interesting and do not miss out on the upcoming tutorials. Remember to subscribe to Z Emotion YouTube to get notified about our latest videos and news. See you next time.